For my 5E lesson plan, I decided to do kindergarten age students, and that my lesson plan would be about what plants need to survive. And so the activity I thought of is that after the lesson and after kids learn about what plants need to survive and what they need to grow, is that students would split up into groups of two or three, maybe four, just depending on what size the class was, and they would create some type of poster or comic strip or booklet um, for to teach the class about what they learned about. And so this is just an example I came up with. Um, Obviously, like this could be, I made this with construction paper and glue and markers, and it was super easy to make. And I just put the basics that we learned about what plants need to grow. They need water, sunlight, air, soil. And so I was just thinking something simple like that, and something that would get the kids thinking and being creative, just to show their classmates, what they learned, and to get it to really stick in their heads. Bye.